Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire, we give you fun, inspiration, we're real, and we're educational. So I'm in New York City. Yeah, I'm in New York.
Stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.
O'clock in the morning. These people don't live nowhere. I haven't been to go sleeping. No, so. No one yet.
Sleep is
2 a.m. flights booked out fully, look like. Big flash come on, come make everybody feel. Hey, achievement. Hey.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire, we give you fun, inspiration, we're real, and we're educational. So I'm in New York City. Yeah, I'm in New York. I had planned to vlog while I was traveling, but Lord say and no say. The flight was 4 o'clock this morning. Today's Sunday, 4 o'clock this morning. We left home from midnight, a little after midnight, to get to the airport to check in on time and whatever. And from I hit that plane, buckled myself in my seat, I was out. I don't know when we take off. I was so tired. So since I got here with my grandmama, and you'll see some of her later, since I got here, I took a nap for a few hours. Then I ate, and I'm back up, and I am going to pick up mommy in a few hours because she's coming as well. We have a wedding this weekend. One of my cousins is getting married. Giselle, she's getting married, so we are excited for that, and you'll definitely see some of that in this video. I'm not going to show her and her dress and all of that. We don't do that, but I'll show you bits and pieces of her wedding when it comes. So we have a week here in New York, and I'm excited. I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to spend time with my grandmother. No, I'm not pointing the camera at you. Don't worry. She wants her ear nice up and fix up and pretty up before she come on camera. And that's okay, Grandma. I'm gonna fix her up, and then I can put on camera. So something is in the microwave. You're heating up something, Grandma?
No, I didn't.
No, not you. Or probably Rollin.
You put it on?
No, I hear like like when something is in there, if it is heating up.
I did not. Maybe.
Okay. I just want a little pick me up because I'm still tired. I don't want to go back to sleep because mommy will be getting here in about another 2 hours, so I don't want to fall back asleep. So just a little pick me up her. So my storage was full, so I had to delete some space. Going to pick up mommy in a few, so I will show you some other parts of my journey. But make sure that you stick around. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe, turn on your post notifications. It's all about stuff on the cuffs. Bass is in New York. So I'm waiting on mom. I knew it was a good idea to bring my glasses.
Yeah.
However, I left it in my bag. And now I have to be relying on knowing the shape of my mother to recognize her from afar. But I know my mama, so we're still waiting, so I'll be back. Mr. Guys, one piece of lasting, well, not me, trying to find mom because the airport is under construction, and so everything changed up. Something's not working, so I'm heading to mommy now. Alright, so I reached, boy, it's pre-construction going on, so I reached the terminal that mommy is at. It's now to find her, so I'm just gonna walk until I see my mother. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk until I see her. Man, I did about 10,000 steps today, and I'm feeling very good and very healthy. I thank thee. Sorry. Oh my baby, Bobby, I found my mother home, and this is the next morning. I'm actually just getting ready to get the day started. I was asleep. I had a good proper sleep. It's like, I don't know, it's late. It's almost midday, I think. Or no, probably after 10. So I'm gonna get up and get my day started. But I was really tired from traveling from so early and then being out so late trying to find mommy. But I found her and all is well. I had a severe egg allergy the other day. These spots in my face, yeah, severe egg allergy. And since I came here to New York, I had some IHOP because I couldn't find anything else. And see, I get into other bumps, boils from the egg, but it's another story. Yeah, I'm allergic to egg. I'm allergic to raw egg. Or, if it's scrambled, like if I even touch the shell of the egg, I have like severe breakouts, like boils and stuff on my face. These spots, it has gotten better, but these spots are from having a severe egg allergy. Probably 2.5 weeks ago. It was horrible. Oh my god. But yeah, try to stay away from egg. I don't touch it, I don't cook it, I don't wash plates that had egg in there, none of that. I'd stay completely away. I'm gonna do an allergy test to see, just make sure that it's that, but that has been the case for the past few years. When I had the severe egg allergy, what happened was Bria was scrambling eggs, and I was there overseeing her, and when she broke the egg, it broke and splashed on me, and the raw egg touched my hand. But it's so funny because I eat pastries and stuff and I'm fine, but if I eat like the whipped cream that the egg is raw in there, I have an allergic reaction. If I can't eat scrambled eggs, so I figure more or less that the IHOP, because they cook a lot of egg there, so there was some cross contamination. But I was preparing myself. So I'm gonna take some Benadryl. But apart from the boils, if you're wondering, I don't get much of anything else. But yeah, so we're gonna go on the road today. So I will have my phone ready to do some vlogging when we go on the road, and I will see you there. All right, so this is a short video. This is a short vlog. I'll have some more for you in other vlogs, so make sure that you're keeping up with us. Love you know, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Brian, I love you and I miss you. Bria and Bella, I miss you girls. Mwah. Mommy loves you, wifey love you, baby. Later, guys.
Go Bella! Go Bella! Go Bella! Bella, hold on to the rope. Right. Yeah, mama, hold it. Hold it tight. Go Bella. Don't come off. Hold on tight. Lock the legs. Lock the legs. Yeah, mama. Yeah, mama. Watch your face. Hey! Cufflinks fam, it's another Wednesday and I am in Kingston to host the JN Life class, JN Circle Life class, yeah, full circle, and it's all about helping and uplifting and encouraging and making lives better. So happy to be a part of this, and of course, you know, drop this in our weekly vlog in Kingston in traffic. Made it from Manchester in a couple of minutes and then stuck in Kingston traffic, but it's not bad now, and I'm guaranteeing in a couple of minutes it's real Kingston traffic. I'm a bit stuffy, but I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Yeah, big ups to the JN fam.
Jackie, I want each of you to think about it, but I want one successful trait that you think that makes a successful business operator or an entrepreneur. One, because I know each of you will give me a myriad of them.
Yeah.
One first, Jackie. What do you think is one of the key traits being a successful entrepreneur? Yes, you have a young company, but there are people whose companies start today and finish tomorrow.
Okay. Stick-to-itiveness. And I think that is everything for having a successful company. And so I may have started my company less than 2 years ago. I did that limited 2 years ago. And today I can sit here to say I'm a CEO.
Yeah.
So to continue in an industry that is not easy, that is predominantly male dominated,
Yeah.
or even just in any business.
Yeah.
I am, right? I'm the female here. So I have to speak to the young ladies that are out there that are about to start your business. It is stick-to-itiveness. The men here can attest to it, to say they want to do something, they start it, and they're going to go with it. I know that they've plunged. There's things that happen, but there's the ups and downs, and you have to roll with that roller coaster. So it's like knowing, and then I'm always preaching discipline, right? And I love, what Brescia said, as you see, what Brescia says. And I know his name, but he says, it's about people, it's about profit, and then it's about purpose. And I think once you know who your people are, right? Yeah, the profit is going to come if you stick to it. And then you know what your purpose is. Oh, we do drop big words, clearly. Stick-to-itiveness.
So
Yes.
it means shameless audacity. And that's important because, there's a song that Protege has. I don't remember the name of it, but I love the song. And an excerpt from it says, "Never saw a planet, but I don't remember. But there's a specific part of it that says,
Sing it.
There's a specific part of the song where
Oh,
it
making
says,
sad singing.
if not now, then when? If not me, then who? And that is how I look at it and I look at life, right? If not me, then who? What am I waiting on? There's nobody coming to save us and there's nobody coming to save me. So if I want it, I'm going to go for it. So I hear a lot of times people say, oh, I'm afraid of asking for help. Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Me? I'm asking for help every day.
Every day.
Because I need help every day.
No money's an eye.
No shame in my game.
Yeah.
I ask for help, right? So if I need something, I'm going to take up the phone and I'm going to make a call.
Randy, one thing for you.
One day. That's good leveraging.
Yeah.
But for me, the biggest word among guys, caring, big word. Yeah. What was your boss word again? Utspa. Learn something new every. That's the next thing with being an entrepreneur.
Yes.
You have to constantly
Learn.
But caring is perhaps the word. One of the characteristics I think would be very important for an entrepreneur or a leader generally. That's big for me because I find I care about the work that I do, not so much because of the financial gains, as I think you alluded to it earlier, Jackie. If you take care of people and everything else, the people you work with, then the results will be clear. Easier. So for me, taking care of the people I work with, taking care of the customers, taking care of the stakeholders, suppliers, having good relationships with them, makes being profitable so much easier. Because then it's on the back of when the day comes and you're maybe short on payroll, you have good relationships with your people.
Come on. They're not coming for you.
And they will ensure that they don't go and blast you and fling big stone.
Boss, don't worry, man.
You get what I'm saying? So for me, it's big because I am not just in this for the financial gain. If it was that alone, then I would have given up a long time ago.
The fact that you brought up this symbolizes that two unique individuals are coming together now.
Stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.